and they're all wrapped in this big ball of saran wrap. Halloween Eve, everybody. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. It's too bad that Halloween is on a school night / work day, but nevertheless, I hope you guys make the best of it. I wanted to share an idea to help you make the best of it by doing a very simple activity that anyone would enjoy at any age. I've done it for my coworkers, I've done it for my adult family, and even my children. I've done it for different occasions like birthdays, Christmas, and now I'm doing it for Halloween. What I love most about this game is that it's customizable. Whatever you want to include into the saran wrap is totally up to you. Because I know this crowd is going to be teens and preteens, I'm keeping it pretty simple. When they were younger, I would include little toys or trinkets. For this one, I'm strictly doing candy, gum, and cash. I'm gonna include some full-size candy bars. I bought this from Costco. So we have a bunch of different chocolate candies, some M&Ms. I also am including some gum because my kids are always asking me for gum, and I also like to chew gum, so I figured we can all benefit from this. And who wouldn't want cash? So I have a lot of singles. I have a couple $5 bills, and the center bonus will be the $10. So whoever is the last one holding the saran wrap ball and gets the very last prize is gonna win the bonus $10. And if you're asking why are they all in Ziplocs, well, it's because the game can get pretty vicious when they're trying to rip through as much prizes as they can, and I don't want the bills to rip. So I figure if I put them in Ziploc bags, it'll be protected. Only two things that are required to play this game is a bunch of plastic food wrap. Thanks to Kirkland, I got this big old roll. I've made at least 5 saran wrap ball games with this, and I still have a whole lot. And we bought this when we moved here 7 years ago, I think, and this is still the first roll that I ever bought. It takes a lot of room in my kitchen, but so worth it. The last thing you'll need are 2 dice. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put this all together. I just put my box of saran wrap in front of me, and I'll pull out a sheet, and then this very center is going to be my bonus prize. So I picked a $10 bill, which I'm folding up very small, and this is going to be the start of building your saran wrap ball. And you want to wrap it fairly tight. You don't want it to be super loose. I like to wrap it a few rotations, and then I will cut it off. And then you will start it all over again. In between all the prizes, you can wrap saran wrap without putting any prizes inside, or you can even include a prize within every wrap. It's up to you how difficult you want to make it. I like to do a balance of both. So I'll have some prizes, and then in between prizes, I'll have just plain saran wrap where they're going to be working so hard to unwrap it and nothing comes out. But sometimes they'll get to the layers where there will be prizes. And then on the flip side of that idea, I sometimes add more than one prize within one wrap. So when they're unwrapping it, multiple prizes will come out, and it gets them even more excited. So as you watched me, I did the $10 and I did a few empty wraps, and now I'm finally adding in some candy. I picked the M&M because I can kind of fold it. You want to try and maintain the round shape so the ball doesn't get all funky. And that's really it. You're just going to keep doing this until you wrap all your prizes. I took about 15 minutes to do this, but I'm going to speed it up and show you guys how it looked at the very end. You can kind of see through the saran wrap the different layers. I got candy, cash, and gum. So just to do a quick demonstration of how this game works, everyone's going to be sitting in a circle. One person is going to have the saran wrap ball in their hand, and the person next to them, who's going to be the next one up, is going to be rolling dice. So I like to get like a bowl or a box, and that person's going to be rolling the dice over and over again until they roll doubles. Once they roll doubles, they get the ball next. So while the person is rolling the dice, and if you have the saran wrap ball, you're pressured in time because you want to get as much prizes as you can out of the ball before that person rolls a double. Saran wrap, as you know, once it's all stuck together, it is hard to find the opening, and that's what makes this game so funny and challenging. So I cheated because I wanted to show you guys. I found the start of it. I'm doing it in slow pace, but when the game's actually going, it gets pretty crazy, which is why I wrapped all the cash in Ziploc bags so they don't rip. I'm gonna remove layers, and they're gonna just keep removing layers. Sometimes it ends, they're gonna have to find and peel another one, which now I have to find the next one, and they're gonna have to keep rolling and rolling. Let's see, now I'm having a hard time. And you can make this game even more challenging by saying they have to wear oven mitts while they unwrap it. That gets really difficult, but I'm not gonna do that to them. And now if you keep peeling, layers will be removed, which means whatever is in between that layer is gonna fall out in your lap, and that's what you get to keep. The best part about this game is everybody's a winner. Everybody will get their hands on the saran wrap ball multiple times, and it'll be able to give them the opportunity to release whatever prizes comes out of the layers that they peel back. So it's really fun for people to play, but it's even more funny to watch. Since I'm the one who always makes the saran wrap balls, I always am the one standing behind and just laughing at everybody, watching them struggle, trying to unwrap the ball. I am gonna film them and I will share it with you guys. It will have to be after Halloween since that's when they're doing it. Hope you guys try it out. If you've played this game before, let me know in the comments, or if you plan to do this, let me know in the comments. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it inspired you. Have a very happy Halloween and stay safe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Unraveling,